Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my show channel, Cooking for Lila. Today I'm gonna make pepper salt chicken. Very easy recipe. So let's begin. Uh, First ingredient, I'm adding some all-purpose flour. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some cornstarch, corn flour. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. After that, I'm gonna add ginger and garlic paste. Okay. Little bit of salt. Little bit of black pepper. Now I'm gonna mix it. Remember, this cannot be lumpy. So first I'm getting everything mixed right, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water to have it like not too thick, at the same time not too thin runny, because I'm going to be using boneless chicken, so the chicken already have some water. I'm going to add water little by little to make sure I don't make it too runny, at the same time there is no lump and everything is mixed properly. So far it's working out good. Might need a little bit of water, I'll see as I go through. I don't want to use hand mixer or anything. That's going to be too violent for the mix that I'm trying to create. So yeah, it's working out pretty good. I don't think I have to add any more water. So now it's time to add the chicken. I got the chicken already here, cut, diced. I'm going to take the chicken and just marinate it here. After the marination, I will keep it in the fridge, I would say for about half an hour or so. Then I'll show you how to fry and add the green ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna rest this in the refrigerator for half an hour. Okay, I'm back. This was in the fridge for like a half an hour or so. I just put some soy sauce, and this is all ready to go. You gotta be very careful when you putting this on a hot oil, so you don't burn yourself. I'm gonna put them in the strainer and just slowly make sure that they don't get cluttered, because they have cornstarch, then they're gonna stick to each other. Okay, I'm done with frying the chicken. Now it's gonna be the second part of this recipe, and let me get everything ready and I'll show you how to finish up. Okay, final part. I'm gonna add some oil here, and of course this is olive oil. I'm gonna put onion, green pepper, red pepper into the frying pan. Okay, I'm gonna let it fry for a minute. I'm gonna add pinch of salt, of course black pepper. If it comes out, Okay. Give it a toss. Okay, time to add the last ingredient, the chicken. Give it a toss. Mix it up really good. I will add a little bit more soy sauce. And that's it. This is all done. Ready to be served. I'm just gonna keep it here maybe a minute or so, but this is done. I'm tossing it, making sure everything is mixed good. Not adding too much salt because the soy sauce has salt already. So I will, this is actually done, but I will make sure the onion and all these things are done in a stay raw. That's it. This is salt, black pepper and salt chicken. Like I always say, eat healthy, stay healthy. Until next time, be good, and thanks for watching.